What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and this week's video is featuring Brussels sprouts. So I know that, it's kind of a mixed bag on how people feel about them, but I hope that you'll enjoy this recipe. I've switched it up a little bit, and so if you want to see how I'm making Brussels sprouts, just keep watching, and you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Be sure to stay tuned at the end for a few pro tips.
All right, so I've got all your ingredients there. I'm gonna take my washed and peeled Brussels sprouts and just go ahead and start dicing them up into some bite-sized pieces. Once you've done that, you'll transfer them into what will be your mixing bowl. All right, next we're gonna go in with a couple tablespoons of some oil. Next, going in with some Himalayan pink salt, followed by a little bit of black pepper, and for spice, some crushed red pepper flakes. Going in with my balsamic vinaigrette dressing. You can also use just regular balsamic vinegar. A little bit of some honey. I've got gloves on so I can mix it up. And the idea here is to make sure all your Brussels sprouts are well coated. Adding them to my air fryer. And so I'm gonna start in 5-minute increments. As you can see, I didn't feel like they were quite ready, so I popped them back in for another 2 minutes. And there you go. Stay tuned to hear my pro tips.
Thanks for sticking around for the end of the video. Here are a few pro tips. So if you are gonna make this recipe and you don't have an air fryer, or even if you do, I would actually recommend making these on a cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper, because I think that helps with the coating for the Brussels sprouts to make sure every bit is saturated in that good marinade that you've made. The other thing is that the crispier, the better. And then just a reminder that you'll do all of your seasonings like salt to taste. So let me know in the comment section below what you think.